Construction of the Garden Gateway has begun, and we are really excited. The new expansion and renovation is going to greatly enhance the visitor experience.
During the construction period, there are some important changes for visitors, and we want to make sure you know before you go.
The outdoor areas of Duke Gardens will be open throughout the construction period, but the Gardens parking lots, the Doris Duke Center, and the main entrance will be closed.
Visitors will enter the gardens through a new pedestrian entrance located at 2000 Lewis Street, just north of the garden's current Anderson Street entrance. Look for the signs that say "Follow the Flowers."
You can also enter through one of the garden gates on Flowers Drive, near Duke's West Campus.
Unfortunately, there's no visitor parking available on weekdays during the construction period, but parking is available on weekends in nearby Duke campus parking lots like the H lot, which is just next door to the new Lewis Street entrance.
If you are traveling by car, we strongly recommend you visit on the weekend when parking is available. We also recommend downloading the Pay by Phone parking app ahead of your visit. You'll need it to pay for parking. Check our website for more information and instructions.
The silver lining to no weekday parking, it's a great chance to try out more eco-friendly ways to travel. Check out our website for bus routes or hop on a bike. We'll have lots of bike racks at the new entrance.
You guessed it. Our website, gardens.duke.edu, is the best place to get information about the Garden Gateway and these construction-related changes. We recommend you check it before you visit to get the latest updates.
We appreciate your understanding and patience as we work to complete the new Garden Gateway. Our location in the heart of Duke University in Durham makes Duke Gardens a special place for people to connect with nature. Unfortunately, we cannot create this new experience without temporarily limiting access to our main entrance and parking lots. We understand these disruptions caused by construction will be an inconvenience, and we thank you for sticking with us. We promise the Garden Gateway renovations and expansion will be worth it.